Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. A little simple 3D background that you could use for almost anything, and you could put it in different shapes too. So let's just make one. Really easy. Just take an ellipse. Doesn't really matter what size you make it. We'll make it 3 inches. Now we're going to take that ellipse and we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. And while holding down the control button, just go like that far down. The control button helps you keep it square or even. Take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to make this one, get back to my RG palette. Let's make this one green and fill that in. So now you have that shape. You can take the pick tool and move that shape away and get rid of your outline. Now we're going to take this item, and because we made it 3 inches, we can set our nudge factor on 3 inches. And we're going to Control D and make a duplicate and go all the way across the page. Now we're going to Control G to group that together, and we're going to set our nudge in, let's say, 1/4. Control D and make a duplicate and move it so 1/4 is not enough. But now we can Control D and it'll do that same thing over and over and over. So now I've lost it. I'm going to go 0.5. I'm going to Control D and move it down. My old laptop sometimes having trouble keeping up with what I'm doing. So that's pretty good. Let's group this together with Control G. And then while this is selected with your pick tool, let me zoom in. Get your pick tool, pick it, and hold down the Shift key and double click on your rectangle box. That'll put a rectangle around it. Let's go with black, fill that in with black. Go to Object, Order, Backup Page, and that's what you get. And then you could put any kind of text on it. We'll have to go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and now you have that. And that didn't look half bad. It kind of looked, because it was between the layers. Let's put it to the back of the page, and then we're going to take our black, order, front of page. I knew that was going to happen. Tell you what, I'm going to nudge that down twice. I'm going to take our green design, order, front of page, and then move that black back up the 2 spots. Now grab our text, it's in there somewhere, and go order, front of page. You could put it below the layer. There's actually I can't really remember if it's Control Page Down. Yeah, there you go. Control Page Down, just put it down 1 layer. So that looks pretty awesome in a way. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.